Garrison Engineering and Robotics Society aims to promote robotics culture in the country. This year, the theme is focused on building an autonomous robot that can make its way through different interrupts and hurdles. Robot has to find its way until it has reached destination, so eventually participating teams are required to design a robot which can reach the destination by crossing all the interrupts in the way. Modular category. The modular robots are built by assembling the Lego kit. These kits include sensor, large and medium motors, and a brick, brain of Lego kit. Once assembling is done, it can be coded using provided graphical palettes or using MATLAB or some other programming languages. Indigenous category. It includes robots which are made from scratch. Their mechanical designs, electrical circuits are the product of teams' own abilities. These electromechanical machines are then programmed to complete tasks on their own.